The Start Well program is broken down into 6 sections. In week 1, we practice the 6 foundational mindsets and movements. Everything builds on these. Along with learning how to rest in your body and use your core correctly, you will start to restore muscle memory for functional mobility and strength here too. In weeks 2 to 4, you create your 3 well habits for exercising for whole person health. Week 2 focuses on mindful mobility moments to rest well. We start with mobility because this is what goes the fastest when you have not been moving as much. Practicing mindful mobility frees your body to move with more ease and greater calm. When you feel more free to move, motivation is much easier. Then in week 3, we continue to grow your mindful mobility practice while focusing on your well habit for functional strength. This type of strength provides support for moving with confidence in daily life. In week 4, we continue your mobility and strength well habit while creating your well habit for whole person stamina. This is doing cardio for whole person health and lasting energy so you nourish well. If you are already doing some sort of exercise, simply apply what you are learning in Start Well to what you're doing. In weeks 5 and 6, you practice keeping each of these habits strong yet flexible for staying well. Each week has 7 parts. Each part contains 1 video. The average length for each video is about 10 minutes long. Simply follow the videos each day, and in 42 days, you will be confidently exercising to be well now.